Your Backs, Brains and Breathing book, and my name is Anna-Louise. And I'm the author of the book. You'll receive this book when you start with us at PhysioScience. I thought I'd just show you a few simple ways to use this terrific little ebook. You'll see on the side there's that little arrow, and you can press that to turn pages just the way you would in a normal book with that cute little book sounding noise. There's two ways that you can use it. The girls will be helping you, your physio will be helping you to understand which sections of the book are best for you. And it's a bit like a great recipe that we'll put together. If you imagine these little tabs here, a bit like in a recipe book, you might have the meat and poultry section and the vegetable section, and then you have the dessert. Well, we've got the deep corset and the stretching, the stiff bit section, and the stabilizing and strengthening section. And you'll need a bit of something out of each of those sections. You can use those tabs, you can go straight to that section, and the girls will be saying, look, these are the particular things that we want you to read about. It might be pelvic floor, as you can see there, or it might be bits on breathing or things like that. Or they might say, no, we want you to go straight to the stretching section, and there'll be certain stretches that will be right for you. The other way that you can use the book, you can go down to the bottom here, go straight back to the beginning, but right at the beginning, you'll see on that second page, you've got the contents section. And you can go through any of the pages here and click straight there, and it will take you straight to that page. So it's very, very easy to navigate. If you would prefer, you can also go down the bottom here and you can see all the pages there, and you can sort of push through those various sections, and you'll see they're all color coded according to which section you're in. Now, the other thing that you might like to do is you might like to print a page where you think, oh, look, I'd really like to have that in hard copy. You can just click there and you can actually print it off for yourself. So there's lots of different ways you can use it. Your physio will be giving you a plan, and you'll see when you get to that section of the book, we will be saying, look, we think you are more floppy than stiff. We think that you need to understand these parts of your story, and we think you need to do these consultations or these one-on-ones or these classes. And there's lots of different places that you can also take notes. So that's how to use your Backs, Brains and Breathing book. You can go all the way back to the beginning, and we hope you really enjoy your classes.